Um, yeah, we're just gonna nip that one right in the bud. And got out a dude. Yep. Oh, look, it's the mirror again. I used to have a blocker, though. That's actually funny. Yeah. He can actually swing for 2 here. But he won't. Okay. Get me a chance to untap. Thank you. Yeah, go ahead, use it on this. Get my 4 damage in. Yes. I would like to draw some other spells besides lands. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'll give it first strike. Thank you. That meme reservoir is so annoying. I still have to see 2 shatters, the revoke existence, the Oxida scrap melter. Right. 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 This game is taking a while. You gonna move it over? No? Alright. Okay, that's cool. That is awesome. I have to see whether I can get through that, though. I know he has a Razor Hippogriff. But yeah. I might as well get all my value. All of it. Seriously though, that's a nice little combo he has here. Is if he has another... Oh, good, he doesn't. I was going to say if he has another Drawshopper. Alright. Okay. I should have left 1 man. Oh, fine, he's... I'm taking 2, I saw he's going to swing with everything. But yeah, I guess he needs a blocker. Alright. Yeah, it's really just the mirror. I mean, oh, okay, let's see, let me think. It's really the mirror that's causing me problems, because I don't care how much he recurs. I think it's just the purest mirror. The mirror reservoir, I mean, yeah, he can get blockers over and over again, but the mirror is the one because he can actually sack and do 2 damage to me, and that's painful. That's really painful. So I'm just going to remove the Peerless Mirror from that equation. I think that works just as well. Yep. Bye. And I swing with both. Yeah. I think so. It's kind of risky actually, but yeah. I can give it first strike, so you'll be taking 4 a turn. Now, do I want to use the Galvanic Blast if he tries to swing in? Dark Steer Mirror. Seriously? Alright. Iron Mirror. Okay. Right. We still have to keep doing this, I think. I may have to use that Galvanic Blast. I may. We'll see though. It'll be nice if I can draw another spell. Okay, that works, I suppose. I can use white mana now. He's going to do the same thing again. Yep. I probably have to kill that Revoke Existent. I mean, that Mirror Reservoir. Although he could have that Razor Hippogriff, and it's like, yeah. So. Yeah. Okay, what's this? What is this? Why is he tapping out? Exandrinate? Huh, let's see. Does he have enough? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's enough. Yeah, that's game. I don't know if I could have killed him earlier. That was annoying, that thing. Try Berserkers would have been helpful. Ah well. It happens. I mean, in the end, I probably should have. It would have mattered anyways, because he would have killed my Golem, and then he had the Dark Steam Mirror, and he would just keep jumping with that over and over again. So, I don't know. Well, that's hindsight. Alright. Still can't sub anything in, really. He does have an Exandrine though, so okay, I'd be careful about that. Alright, try one more time.